Well, on the heel of some not so great news out of at least the US, where the FCC is clawing back regulations for consumer protection regarding their cable bills and transparency, a little bit of good news. We all like to complain about Microsoft doing some pretty annoying and downright detrimental stuff to their OS and other products that are not very customer centric for their own reasons. But every now and then they do make some pretty good improvements. It looks like Windows Central reported that Windows is going to be building in a recovery tool that will allow a Windows-based computer, Windows 11, to do a complete fresh install of the operating system without needing a USB to plug in directly to the physical system, nor is it going to need any sort of CD-ROM or anything like that. It'll be able to directly build a Windows install with drivers, apparently, if I understand the article correctly, and go ahead and allow you to install your system completely just by downloading an image from the internet directly, even without a functioning OS. And this is kind of great news in, being able to get your media even when you don't have a USB and you do have an internet connection is great. I will say that it's my understanding, as a not very big user of Macs, that they have had functionality like this for some time. I seem to recall Intel-based Macs being able to do recovery installs from the internet without any media a long time ago, maybe even over 10 years ago. But it's good to see that Windows finally has it with its plethora of possible configurations and driver support and stuff, short of actual internet drivers themselves. Looks like you're going to be able to do fresh installs. Now, this method is not going to let you do any sort of installs that preserve your data. It's going to do a clean install, so applications are going to have to be installed after the fact, which is understandable for this type of a recovery mechanism. So if you need to do more of a repair install, you can use one of the other methods in Windows to do a repair install. But otherwise, good news is good news, and I really appreciate Microsoft adding this functionality. It's crazy to think that they can do this with all those different driver configurations I was talking about. So, kudos to Microsoft for doing something great for the customer.